We got a large engine on the ground. Second problem, we got a jockey that races bikes trying to lift it. What I'm gonna do, I think I can take this winch, these 2x4s, this battery, all this video equipment, this tape measure, and I think we can make us a motorcycle hoist. Stay tuned. First order of business, measure the width of the lift. I think my calculations over there earlier. So we need to be about 30, we could really go 36 inches on the inside. And it'll clear this pedal. You see the pedal assembly sticks out, so we need to be able to drive right there. Here we are so far. This is what I've come up with. These are the feet. These are basically the lower legs of the lift. Then these two uprights right here that looks like a doorway will basically stand straight up. Haven't decided if the winch is going to be mounted underneath here or on top. I think I'm going to go on top just because then all of this will support whatever I'm lifting. So run to the store and grab some hardware. Be back with the rest of this. Alright, so here's where we are. Actually, the ATV winch idea didn't work, so I went back to Harbor Freight and got the electronic hoist. This is the orientation the winch needed to be mounted, and the way winches are designed wasn't going to allow me to mount it like this. I would have only been able to mount it on its side. So instead of it being mounted like this, it would have been mounted like that, and that force pulling down on it would have caused the wood to twist, and the wood's not that resistant to twisting, but it's pretty good at bowing. Here's where we are. It's almost there, almost. So I gotta make sure this thing is centered looks like it needs to go over that way just a little bit more to get the cable dead center of the hoist. Here it is. It's way taller than I thought. I didn't account for the 3-inch casters on the bottom there. It's done. And the engine has now found a home. It is not on the floor anymore. And we can work on it and do cool things that make it go fast. That was the mission. And it took a while. But I can put a full engine with exhaust up on the lift. So now, as you see, there's another engine back there. We are going to get busy now that we got this thing in the shop. Man, I hope y'all enjoyed this video because it was a lot of work. It took me all day long. I actually had to go to the store 4 different times to get this completed. Man, if you guys could leave me a like on this one, I'd really appreciate it. Consider subscribing to the channel so you don't miss any other videos. We do all kinds of cool stuff here at Power Curve Motorsports, sport bikes, racing, you name it, we doing it. So if it's got something to do with sport bikes, it's near Maryland, Virginia, or Washington, D.C., your boy Socks, the Jixon Engine, and Power Curve Motorsports, and we got something to show you.